Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix File Explorer tabs Windows 11 not showing. To start, we will access Settings from Start. There, in Windows Update, we check if there are pending updates by clicking on Search for updates or validating that they have already been downloaded. After this, right-click on Start and open the Task Manager. You will locate the Windows Explorer. When you do so, click on the option Restart Task. Wait a bit for the system environment to be loaded again. Now open the command prompt as administrator. Click Yes to access. Here, run the command sfc/scano. Press Enter to start the file system scan. You can see the process in real time. When finished, confirm the result generated by this command. To complete the process and repair this error, restart the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When accessing again, open the File Explorer and check that the tabs work correctly. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.